Copa America 2021 is right around the corner. We're going to be predicting the groups, how I think everything is going to go down. 2 groups of 5, 4 advance in each group. Let's get right into it. Bolivia makes me very sad right now. Hard to watch them. They're coming in last pretty convincingly. I do think Uruguay have this group on lockdown. They should be better than everyone else and they should come in first pretty comfortably. I also want to mention Uruguay's evil twin sister Paraguay. I don't think they'll come in last. However, I don't think they have the firepower to come in 3rd place or above, so 4th place should suit them well. And that leaves Argentina and Chile. This was the only hard thing I found about predicting this group. I can definitely picture either team coming in second, maybe even winning the group if they feel cracked during the tournament.
Cracked at Fortnite, my guy.
But Argentina are host. I'm not going to disrespect them that much. Plus, they do well in group stages sometimes. So I think Argentina will get 2nd place and Chile gets 3rd to round out the group. I want to split this group into 2 different packs. I believe Brazil and host of this group, Colombia, are head and shoulders much better than the other 3 teams. They will get top 2. Who gets it though is a coin flip. I'm going to say Brazil just. And then for these bottom 3 teams in this group, I'd say it's an even crazier battle. We have Peru, Ecuador, and Venezuela. I initially had Ecuador finishing last, but they've had a really strong start in World Cup qualifying, and Peru and Venezuela have been kind of slow. However, Venezuela and Peru both really perform when it comes to Copa Americas, especially Peru. They got runners up in last Copa America. So I'm going to put Peru in 3rd in this group, and I'm going to put a little bit of faith in Ecuador. Someone has to flop, right? So I think Venezuela will flop just for this tournament. Ecuador rounds out the group in 4th. Venezuela gets 5th. Thank you guys for watching my preview on the Copa America. It wasn't that big. There's only 10 teams in this tournament. Basically, I have everyone going through except Venezuela and Bolivia. Of course, a much larger preview to follow in the future along with the Euros. Tell me who you guys think is going to finish, how these groups will finish, roll out, whatever. While you're at it, tell me who's going to win it. I haven't quite made my mind yet, but tell me. I would love to hear you guys. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.